Um, Hi friends, here I am with another unboxing and review video. இது கொஞ்சம் ஷார்ட்டான வீடியோ தான் இருக்க போகுது. ஸோ இந்த பேண்டமிக் வந்ததுலேருந்தே ஐ திங்க் மோஸ்ட் ஆஃப் அஸ் ஒர்க் ஃப்ரம் ஹோம் பண்ணதுனால லைக் நாட் மச் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ் அட் ஹோம். ஸோ நல்லா சாப்பிட்டு வீட்டிலே இருந்து கொஞ்சம் நிறையா பேர் வெயிட்டு தான் போட்டிருப்போம். ஸோ நாங்கள் வந்து வெயிங் ஸ்கேல் வாங்கணுன்ட்டு ரொம்ப நாளாக ஸோ டைம் ஹேஸ் கம். ஸோ வி பாட் அ வெயிங் ஸ்கேல். So I thought I'll just show you the one which we bought. I mean weighing scale பொறுத்த வரையில் நிறையா ரிசர்ச் ஒன்றும் தேவையில்லை. நீங்கள் வந்து அமேசான் இல்லை ஃப்ளிப்கார்ட் போனாவே லைக் பிராண்டுன்னு பார்த்தா you'll have so many brands and so you just need to pick one among them. Like ஏதாச்சும் டாப் ரேட்டிங் இருந்தால் அதில் பிக் பண்ணலாம். மெயின்லி லைக் there are few points நீங்கள் பார்க்க வேண்டியது வந்து ஒன்று வந்து if you buy a rechargeable one USB one நீங்கள் ஈஸியாக ரீசார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். And the next few points is like light weight இருக்கணும், yet it should be very durable, strong material. அப்புறம் size wise as small as it is, it's better. These are the few points which you need to keep in mind. So அது பொறுத்த வரையில் ஸோ அந்த பாயிண்ட் வச்சு பார்த்ததில் again like I said there are many brands and this was one of the brand. So Dr. Trust. So as the name says we need to trust. Just kidding. Let's see how this weighing scale is all about. Let's unbox it. So why Dr. Trust அப்படினா வந்து mainly the price wise it was very reasonable, like 3200 product was coming for 999, a lot of discounts. So and rating was also high, so we thought let's go for it. This product is mainly designed and developed in USA is what I think so. So yeah, this is supposedly not made in China, as you can see, and yeah, the weight is like 1.5 kilos, which is like okay, decent enough, not too heavy. So these are the points which they say, and let's check it out again. So precision, so the technology is patented, so they claim it like accuracy of 100 grams is what they say roughly. So நம்ம check பண்ணலாம் இப்போ unboxing பண்ண பிறகு. And so we got low battery indicators, auto zero off, safety, comfort, overload indication. This is a tempered glass 6 mm and accurate reading which I just covered, and a large digital display. And like I said, this is a rechargeable one. So உங்களுக்கு battery காலியான உடனே you can recharge it using USB. So let's unbox it guys. Okay, இது வந்து product specification and instruction to use. So we just need to stand on the okay flat on a floor la வைக்கணும் இந்த weighing machine, and you just need to step on the platform. So weighing detect ஆன உடனே lock ஆகி it will display the number, and automatically 10 seconds நம்ம கீழே இறங்கின உடனே 10 secondsல ஆஃப் ஆயிடும். This is just to like to keep the battery not draining. Yeah, so battery low and the alone காமிக்கும், அப்போ you can just recharge it. So that's it, not much in this. Maintenance வந்து இருக்கு. This comes with a 6-month warranty. இது so bill வச்சு I think we need to go online and we need to register to get the 6-month warranty. Okay, so as you could see it looks very premium. Seriously, I didn't expect this. So நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா can you see it? It's very premium. The glass, it's glass, and this is the thickness நீங்க பார்த்தீங்கன்னா. அதுக்கப்புறம் கீழே so we got a very steady stand, and yeah, so this is the USB point. நீங்க சார்ஜ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் இங்க. Can you see it? I think it's a micro USB, and so yes, they got this friction free stand, and so it's a blue color, like it's looking very nice. honestly we didn't expect. And yeah, the name Dr. Trust is written. All of that. So guys, let's stand on this and test it. Can you step on it, Atanga, slowly? Yeah, so it's 13.7. Yeah, stand there, stand there. Yeah, get down. So நீங்கள் இப்போ வெயிட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா maybe for next 7-8 seconds and the display போயிடும் to save the battery. Can you climb again? Let's check the accuracy. Yes, so it is showing again 13.7. Yes, okay, that's very good. Okay, let me check for my weight. 66.15. Yeah.
It's stepping in my dress.
Oh, sorry. Right. Let me try again. 66.15. Very precise. Okay, that's good.
Can I try?
You want to try? 1 second, wait, let it go off. Yeah, we'll try one last time. It should, let's see whether it shows same 13.7. Yeah, climb slowly. Yes, there you go. Okay, get down to Tanga. That's it guys. So நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா yes, இது வந்து ரொம்ப ப்ரிசைஸாக இருக்குது. It's giving exact same reading how many ever times you try. Yes, it's looking very nice. And as நீங்கள் இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா though it is a glass, but in the corners எல்லாம் வந்து they have made it very nice. It's round edge. So நீங்கள் வந்து எது even if you have kids at home, you don't need to worry about it. You can definitely go for it. I didn't expect this to be this good. Okay friends, so பாருங்க, I mean, if at all you want to go for a weighing scale, I think this is really good. I didn't expect this to be this good. I think you can go for it. Drop your comments, feedback or any queries. So we will try to address it. Thank you friends. See you back in another video. Bye.